Have you ever reached the end of a year and suddenly felt this uncomfortable truth that nothing really changed? Same routines, same habits, same version of you. If you walk into 2026 like this, nothing will magically improve. Not this time, because real change doesn't come from luck. It doesn't come from motivation either. It comes from habits. Tiny daily actions that feel insignificant today, but quietly decide who you become tomorrow. One small habit can fix your morning. 10 small habits can rebuild your entire year. So in this video, I'm sharing 10 powerful habits that can reshape your mornings, reset your mind, and help you build a stronger version of yourself in 2026. This isn't motivational noise. This is a practical blueprint. If you're serious about change, grab a notebook and pen, and let's begin. Habit 1. Wake up before life gets loud. You don't need to wake up at 4 a.m. Just wake up 30 to 60 minutes earlier than usual. That quiet time before the world wakes up is powerful. No notifications, no noise, no demands. For a short moment, your life belongs only to you. You can think clearly, plan calmly, or simply breathe. When you take control of your morning, you slowly take control of your life. Habit 2. Make your bed. This habit looks small, but it's not meaningless. Making your bed is your first completed task of the day. It tells your brain, I start things and I finish them. That message matters. Order in your room creates order in your mind. A clean space gives calm energy. A messy space drains it. This tiny win sets the tone for everything that follows. Habit 3. Do one hard thing first. Growth never lives inside comfort. Every morning, choose one thing that feels uncomfortable and do it first. A tough workout, cold water on your face, writing what you've been avoiding, making that difficult call. It doesn't need to be big, it needs effort. Once you face discomfort early, the rest of the day feels lighter. Habit 4. Guard your first hour. Most people destroy their focus in the first 10 minutes by reaching for their phone. Your first hour is sacred. Protect it. No scrolling, no social media, no noise. Use this time to build yourself. Journaling, reading, planning, stretching, or meditating. When you start the day intentionally, you stop reacting to life and start leading it. Habit 5. Move your body daily. A stagnant body creates a tired mind. You don't need a gym. You don't need perfection. Just move, walk, stretch, run, push-ups, dance. Morning movement wakes up your brain, boosts energy, and creates momentum. A sharp mind needs an active body. Habit 6. Drink water first. Before coffee, before sugar, before everything else. Drink water. Your body has been dehydrated all night. Water wakes up your metabolism, sharpens focus, and clears mental fog. One glass every morning seems small, but its impact compounds daily. Habit 7. Keep your space clean. Your environment shapes your thoughts. Clutter outside creates chaos inside. Spend just 5 to 10 minutes daily cleaning your room, your desk, even your phone. Clear space, clear thinking, less stress, more focus. Habit 8. Learn for 10 minutes. You don't need hours, just 10 minutes a day. A book, a video, a podcast, an article. Daily learning feeds your confidence and creativity. Consistency beats intensity. Habit 9. Keep one promise to yourself. Self-trust is built through small promises kept. Choose one habit, commit to it. Follow through. When you trust yourself, discipline grows naturally. Small promises create a strong identity. Habit 10. End the day with 3 wins. Before sleeping, write down 3 wins from your day. They don't have to be big. They just need to be real. This habit rewires your brain to notice progress instead of failure. You sleep with gratitude and wake up stronger. You can read quotes, buy planners, set resolutions, but without habits, nothing changes. 2026 won't transform you. Your habits will. Don't try all 10 at once. Start with 1, master it, then stack the next. One small action today becomes your identity tomorrow. It's not about perfection. It's about consistency. If even one habit spoke to you, commit today. And if you're ready to grow seriously, subscribe. Because this is just the beginning of building the best version of you.